Teleportation pods replaced cars in 2087, and nobody talks about what happened to the people who vanished during the first month of testing. I stumbled across classified footage from the Tomorrow archives while working as a data recovery specialist. The videos show something incredible, yet terrifying. When humanity finally cracked instant transportation, we thought we'd solved everything. Traffic jams, pollution, travel time, all gone in a flash of blue light. The pods looked like oversized phone booths made of chrome and glass. You'd step inside, input your destination, and dissolve into particles before reassembling at your target location. Clean, efficient, revolutionary. The marketing campaigns promised a utopian future where distance meant nothing. But the early test subjects started reporting strange memories that weren't theirs. A businessman remembered being a child in medieval times. A teacher suddenly spoke fluent languages she'd never learned. The most disturbing case was Sarah Chen, who arrived at her destination, but also somehow remained at her starting point, creating two identical versions of herself. The government buried the reports after people began disappearing entirely, not just failing to materialize at their destination, but ceasing to exist altogether. Their particles scattered across dimensions, leaving behind only empty clothes and confused families. By 2090, they'd fixed the glitches, but the technology changed us forever. Every person who uses the pods now carries fragments of everyone who traveled before them. We're all connected in ways we never intended, sharing dreams, memories, and sometimes entire personalities. The future arrived exactly as promised, but nobody warned us we'd lose ourselves to get there. Sometimes progress costs more than we're willing to pay, but by then it's already too late to go back.